What's up guys, NDM Tech here. So I have been using the Airpods Pro for almost 4 months now and I'm gonna share my thoughts on it. Before this I was using the first generation Airpods and upgrading to this was totally worth it. I use them on a daily basis and I don't use any kind of cases or stickers on them. My old Airpods had this issue where a lot of dirt was getting accumulated inside the case and at times it even stopped the case from closing properly. But with the AirPods Pro case, after using it for almost 4 months now, that doesn't seem to be an issue. And that's because Apple has made the inside of the case more flat. Another nice attention to detail is the way how these places where the AirPods Pro go in are made. They are made in such a way that the AirPods are easier to take out when you pull them towards you rather than going straight up like the old AirPods. This design also keeps the earwax from going into the charging pin area. Talking about earwax, that was another problem that I had with the first gen AirPods, which basically forced me to upgrade. The issue is it got clogged in with earwax and affected the sound quality very badly. With these AirPods, Apple has made it safe from earwax issue by giving 2 mesh layers of protection. This way earwax won't go inside the headphones and it is easily removable from the bud. I just love when companies pay this much attention to detail. It's just simply amazing. These AirPods fit my ears perfectly, but they are not as comfortable as the old ones to wear when I'm lying down on my bed. I don't know why this happens, but they tend to fall out from my ear often, even though I have the correct size ear tip on. Pro tip, you should always make sure that you have the right size ear tip on because sealing plays a very important role in the way you experience these headphones. Apple also has this tool in the settings app which helps you get the right sized ear tip so you get the right seal. Controls for music and noise cancellation on the AirPods are fine, but at times they get stuck either on transparent mode or noise cancellation. It is very rare though. I was super impressed by the noise cancellation of these AirPods. I just love it so much. Especially when I'm traveling, it does a really great job of cancelling outside noise. Now to the audio quality. Audio quality of these AirPods are impressive. It is not really bass heavy, but we can squeeze in some bass by tweaking the equalizer settings of apps that have them. I like the way they sound, but I wish they were a little more punchier, although the mids are really good. Next main thing is battery life. Battery life of these headphones are pretty good. I have not really used them continuously from full charge to zero, but Apple claims 5 hours of charge and 24 hours with the case. In my case, the AirPods case lasts almost 2 days. Since these wireless headphones have small batteries in them, in a time span of 3 years, the batteries will degrade pretty badly and that will basically render them useless. I know I only spoke a little about audio quality because comparing to AirPods 2, the changes are pretty unnoticeable except when you use it with noise cancellation on. So most of the changes in the AirPods Pro are the little upgrades that make these AirPods more reliable than the previous ones. So that's it for today guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you guys in the next one.